Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Stroud here. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. It looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day outside, but a little bit chilly, so put those jackets on and go out and get some fresh air. Okay, today we are working in Reader's Book Notebook number 2. Okay, this is page number 1. And this is our phonics for today. It's words with air, ear, R. Sometimes we have to watch that ear, E-A-R. It sometimes sounds like air. Let's take a look at our words, okay? We're going to write a word from the box to complete each sentence and then read the complete sentence. So here are our words: airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, here, pear, and that's the pear that you eat, share, tear, tear is like to tear up a piece of paper, wear, if I wear my clothes each day, and year, okay? Let's take a look. Number 1, the blank has 10 airplanes. Now, where would airplanes be? Let's take a look. Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, here, pair, share, tear, wear, year. Okay, if you said the airline has 10 airplanes, you're right. That's your given for today. Let's go on to the rest. Number 2. Gently blank the paper into 2 pieces. What will we do with paper? Let's take a look. Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, here, pair, share, tear, wear, year. Alrighty, number 3. The teacher will blank the lesson for the day. What's she going to do? Let's see. Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, here, pair, share, tear, wear, year. Okay. If you're not quite sure about that one, remember what I always tell you. You circle the number, come back to it at the end. See what your choices are that you have left. Number 4, did you blank the bell ring? Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, here, pair, share, tear, wear, year. I think you guys got that one. Okay, number 5, you must pay the blank before you can ride on the plane. Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, here, pair, share, tear, wear, year. Alrighty, on to number 6. Milk and cheese are in the blank food group. So let's think about milk and cheese. What food group are they in? Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, here, pair, share, tear, wear, year. Okay, on to number 7. You and I were born in the same blank. Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, here, pair, share, tear, wear, year. Okay, here we go. Number 8. It's cold outside, so you'll need to blank your coat. And that's true for today. So let's see. Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, hear, pair, share, tear, wear, year. Okay, next, number 9. This is a juicy blank. What would be juicy? Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, hear, pair, share, tear, wear, year. And finally, number 10, it's kind to blank your toys. And we do this all the time, don't we, boys and girls? Let's take a look. Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, hear, pair, share, tear, wear, or year. Okay, as always, reread your sentences. Make sure they make sense. And make sure you spelled your words correctly, my friends. They are right up here. They need to be spelled correctly. Okay? Alrighty, that's our phonics for today. Let's go on to our grammar. Our grammar is also in Reader's Notebook number 2, and it's page 2. So let's take a look. These are adjectives that tell what kind. Now, adjectives describe things. We know that, right? So let's take a look. It says adjectives are words that describe or tell about nouns. Some adjectives tell what kind. Here's our example. We went for a long walk. What kind of walk? A long walk. An adjective usually comes before the noun it describes. So here's our thinking question. Which word tells what kind? Okay, so here we go. It says write the adjective that tells about the underlined noun. So they gave you the noun. You have to decide on what adjective tells about it. Number 1, our class started a recycling project. What kind of project? A recycling project. Absolutely. Write it on the line. Spell it correctly. Recycling. Re means to do again, right? We've learned that in our last lessons. Okay. That's your given. Let's go on with the rest. Mr. Thomas put several big bins in the room. Now let's think. What kind of bins? Write it on the line. Number 3, the blue bin was for paper. What kind of bin was it? Number 4, Jason added a stack of old newspapers. What kind of newspapers were they? Absolutely. Number 5, Leanne brought wrapping paper. What kind of paper was it? Not notebook paper, but Number 6, Melissa used the colorful paper for a collage. What kind of paper was that? And number 7, we added our cereal boxes to the bin. What kind of boxes were they? And number 8, our small class collected a lot of paper. What kind of class do we have? Number 9, we took the bins to a green truck. What kind of truck was it? And finally, number 10, the workers wore thick gloves. What kind of gloves? All right, boys and girls, that is our grammar for today. Remember when you're writing for your dojo project to add adjectives. Go back and find a few nouns. We know what nouns are: person, place, thing, or animal, right? And add an adjective in front of it to tell what kind. Alrighty, that's it for today. Have a great day, boys and girls. I miss you all, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.